Hi everybody and welcome back. It's thanks to Rob Forrest for providing the footage for my latest site arrival video, which features the Carsington Water Caravan and Motorhome Club site located near Ashbourne in Derbyshire. Now, as usual, we're following the directions provided by the club, which include not using your sat-nav for the final approach, but to approach via this road. This is the A517. Now we're heading west, but they do say as well, if you're coming from the west, not to use the A52 because of steep gradients. So we're heading west through the village of Hulland Ward, and we're about to make our first turning, which is a right into Dog Lane. You will see there's a brown tourist sign there for Carsington Water. Follow Dog Lane for around 3/4 of a mile. At the staggered crossroads coming up, turn right into Gibfield Lane. Again, Carsington Water is signposted. You're just a mile away from the site now. The club are keen to point out in their instructions not to use that road on the right hand side there. It is unsuitable for caravans and is signposted accordingly. That's Carsington Fields caravan site we've just passed on the right there. The club site is also on the right and the entrance is coming up very shortly. And here it is. And here we are, Carsington Water Caravan and Motorhome Club site. Normally open from the middle of March to the beginning of November. There's 127 pitches, 106 of which are hard standing. They rate TV reception as fair and the Wi-Fi gets a bronze rating. Thanks once again to Rob for providing the footage, and to you too for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.